Welcome to subchapter 4.4, which is principle of movements. Yeah. So if you see, like what I've explained earlier, I'm just repeating. Yeah. Principle of moments. We have moment, which is equivalent to R cross F, and then we can actually see. Okay. There's two ways to do it. Yeah. Number one is you can actually also, okay, let's just read here. A concept often used in mechanics and principal moments, which is sometimes referred to Varignon's theorem, since it was originally developed by the French mathematician Pierre Varignon. It states that the moment of the force about a point is equal to the sum of the moment of components of the force about the point. So which means when you have force 1, okay, you can actually find the summation of force 1. Okay, force 1, which is combination of force F1 plus F2. You can find the summation and then solve it, or you can do one by one. You see, R cross F1 plus with R cross F2 is actually equivalent to R cross F. So what is F? F is F1 plus F2. If I were you, I will always find the summation first and just, find the easiest way to actually solve. Always we want to do that, right? The shortcut method. So you can actually combine and then find the resultant. Okay, I'm going to show the example here. Okay, let's look at this. This example is example 4. This is example 4.5 from your textbook. Okay, so this is the question. This is example 4.6 from your textbook. There's 3 methods in doing this. Okay, so let's look at this question. This question has 400 here. You're actually finding about point O, right? So this 400, if you resolve it, you have got cos and the sine component. Okay, for the sine component, which is up here, the distance is 0.2. Can you see? 400 sine 0.2. Okay, and then and this force, when it is like this, it will actually go this way. So that's the reason why this is positive. Now the second component is down here. Okay, this component will be distance of 0.4 from point O. Remember to put the ruler. Yeah. Okay, and this one will go this side. That's why it is negative. So what is your final answer? 986. Okay, which is negative 986 clockwise, or you can write it as this way. Yeah, in Cartesian vector form way. Okay, now let's solve the same question using the vector analysis. Okay, I'm going to move further down. The same question. So we have 2 components, which is the 400 cos and 400 sine. Remember? Okay. Now, what is the distance of O to this? This is, now we are looking at the earlier one is this working. Now we are looking at the this one is for this drawing. Yeah, so we have R, we have F. Okay, so what is F? F is actually a component of 400 sine 30 and 400 cos 30 in a form of I and J. Okay, because when it's standing here, yeah, this is cos, which is in the form of J, and this is J, and this will be for I. Okay, got it? Okay, now what is R? Okay, once again, remember 0 is 0, 0 coordinate. Okay, R, the edge here, you have the coordinate, which is 0.4 and 0.2. Okay, so what is R? R will be 0.4 I minus 0.2 J. So how do you do the cross product? So you arrange into the matrix. This is the most important part that I check, and the final answer. So 2 methods in solving this question. Yeah, so I hope you are clear now. Yeah, so the second method is the preferred method, because questions that you get in the exam is not as simple that you can use the scalar analysis. Most of the time you will end up needing to use vector analysis. Yeah, hardly we use scalar. So please do emphasize and concentrate on vector analysis. Yeah,